Good afternoon. Mike Macomber here at Tully Rinckey, providing you a little bit of information about reasonable accommodations. Reasonable accommodations are adjustments in the workplace that allow an employee with a disability to continue to perform their jobs. The question always is whether or not the employee can perform the essential functions of the position itself. Now, reasonable accommodations do not need to be in writing. All an employee needs to do is to show that that their physical or mental impairments are somehow impacting their ability to do the job. The requests don't need to be writing and they don't need to contain any special or magic words. But once an employee has requested a reasonable accommodation, an employer must engage in the interactive process and make good faith efforts to try and determine whether or not they can provide a reasonable accommodation. For employees, it's all right. The employers can ask limited medical information to confirm whether or not or how severe your impairments may be. But the ultimate question is whether or not you can perform the essential functions of the job. The only exceptions to this is whether or not it would have an undue hardship on the employer to provide an accommodation. But for federal employees, this is a pretty high burden for the government to meet. If you have any questions as to your own reasonable accommodations or need help in applying for a reasonable accommodation, please feel free to reach out to us at Tully Rinckey. We'd be happy to help. Thanks.